In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LAN cable to PlayStation 4 Proxy server. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to set up a proxy on your PlayStation 4, as long as you have the address and the port number, you will be able to do this. First, go ahead and connect your PlayStation 4 to the internet. Assuming that you want to use a LAN cable, then grab any generic one and plug one end of the cable into the PlayStation 4 and the other one into a router that is set up and connected to a modem. So it would look something like this. One end of the Ethernet cable is going to go into the PlayStation 4 on the Ethernet port available, and then the other one goes into the router that is wired up to the modem. There is no secret to this, very basic setup. And once you have your PlayStation 4 connected to your router, it is going to have access to your wired connection. Now, on your PlayStation 4, go over to the settings and access the network category. So when you go into settings, one of the options is going to be network, and you will find set up internet connection. Upon selecting this, you will be able to choose between using Wi-Fi or a LAN cable. Make sure that you select use a LAN cable and proceed with the instructions. If you are able to choose between easy and custom, make sure that you select custom. If you select easy, the setup will be done for you and you won't be able to access most options like proxy server, IP address, and so on. Upon choosing custom, you will be guided through the process. You will be able to select IP address, so select manual or PPPoE, and then finally proxy server. Then you can choose the option to use a proxy server and input the address and the port number. Everything will be verified, and if it all looks okay, then you can proceed to finish up setting the connection. So I hope I was able to help you. Something that I want to note before I end this video is that, as you can see, 83% of the people are not subscribed according to our channel metrics. So if this video helped you, consider subscribing. It means a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.